Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to exclude internal traffic in Google Analytics 4. Why exclude internal traffic? To maintain the data accuracy, and whenever you're reporting to your clients, the data will be accurate. What to exclude? So if you're working from home, then make sure you're excluding your location IP address, and whoever in your agency is frequently using the website, make sure you exclude the work location IP address, and also you can exclude your client's location IP address. So now let us head back to Google Analytics and let us see how we can exclude internal traffic. Now the step one is go to data streams. So once you are in the admin section, click on data streams and click on this data stream that you have created. And now the step two is click on configure tag settings. So if you scroll down, you will find this option called configure tag settings. Click on that. Now step three is click on define internal traffic. So once you are in this, scroll down and click on show all and click on define internal traffic. And now step 4 is to create the internal traffic rules. Click on create, and now here we need to apply our IP address. So if you don't know your IP address, then click on this and it will show your location IP address. So I have noted down my IP address. So I am copying this and I am pasting here. So now you need to change this to IP address equals to this value. And now here, let it be internal, or you can also change it to whatever you want. And here I am using internal traffic as the rule name. So once this is done, click on create. So here you can see the internal traffic rule has been created, right? So now this step is completely done, but it is not yet over. The internal traffic is not active yet. So what we need to do next? So now it's time to create a data filter. Now go back to the admin section, and in the admin section, so here you will see under data settings, you will see a drop down. So this is data settings. Click on this and click on data filters. So once you are in the data filters, here you can see uh, Google has automatically picked up internal traffic rule which we have created, right? Now, step 3 is to click on the internal traffic. Now click on this, and here you can see, so whatever we previously created, everything is replicated here. So this is the data filter name, and the filter option will be excluded, and the traffic type is internal. And now the step 4 is under filter state, select the option as active. So currently the filter is under testing stage, so we need to change it to active. So once you change it to active, you need to click on save and again activate the filter. So here you can see the internal traffic filter has been activated now. So that's it. You are done. Your internal traffic is now active, right? So from now on, your whatever the IP address you have given your filter out, everything will be excluded. And if you want to add additionally add more IP addresses, then you can do it by creating another filters there, right? Similarly, you can also exclude your organization or your client's location IP addresses as well. Create a new filter here and you can exclude the filter, right? So this is how you can create internal traffic filter in Google Analytics. If you have any questions regarding this, then drop it in the comment section. I will answer them. And if you like this video, then consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.